Good morning. We are in the place of the trees.
Oh, look at me not gonna make that mistake. Oh, I didn't put I didn't put the filter over it.
Oof.
You know, every time we use these, it's always just a fucking panic attack of me hoping they don't fall off.
Why do you always have to be so stressed?
Because some bullshit might happen.
How are you knowing this is the right angle?
We don't. Since this is the first time us ever doing this, this is the, okay, this looks right, we'll just drive like that and hopefully it works out.
This is the guessing angle.
For the side angle?
Oh.
I mean, I know those sound basic, but it's like, where do you put the GoPro? Should you, like, how high?
Hey guys, I'm going to show you how the right angles to get JDM shots.
Remember, like, the first couple of times we did it, we're like, oh wow, it's like, it looks like it's straight, which it is, but it's just facing the ground to the max. This is taking a good minute right now.
1, 2.
That's not, what was that?
3, 4.
What, did you hear that noise?
Yeah. Recording.
Actually, time out. Let me make sure this is the right settings.
Oh yeah. You want the one that has like the good cinematic one? You know, the cinematic, you know, it's not the same, you know, it's too vibrant on that end. So if you just put it to like the cinematic setting, it's a lot more, you know, better.
And that guy's recording, this guy's recording. Ready.
Everything's secure. All the connections are tight.
There's only one way to find out.
Great.
Yeah, we can find out what it is.
Let's not break anything.
Okay, ready?
Yes.
Let's check out these shots real quick. Oof. You see that? Is this POV you can't see crap? You see anything? Oof.
So did they turn good?
We'll see when they... See, here's what sucks. They look good right now. When I look at the little preview right here. And then when we get home and then they look like garbage. Well, hopefully that won't be the case. I think they look pretty sick. I think the other kind of shot I want to get is that one, but facing forward. Also, facing forward so I can get the
rear. This one?
No, I couldn't. What I'm saying is, if we were to go again, I'd want maybe put. I need a third GoPro so we can get the side shot, this shot. I need a fourth GoPro so that way we can get. So that way we can get this shot, the front shot, the side
2,
shot,
3,
then this shot. And then, actually 5, and then we need the GoPro inside to get the ba 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 boom 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 boom. Remember when I was gonna throw these out?
and my cheapo said yes. I mean no.
Your who?
My cheapo-ness.
Well, what, was it even cheapo-ness? Because you shouldn't throw this out. This is like a protective cover.
You said protective in like 2x
A protective cover. A protective cover. A protective cover.
You said protective in like 2x.
Yeah. Sick. This is POV. You got the nice sounding car. That's a joke. It's a joke. Baby, why can't we just drive over there?
It's right there. Use your legs. That's what they're for.
I guess after we get this breakfast, then we head over to the lab.
Lab.
Alright, we got that Max breakfast that's inside this box. We got the oof for days. And I think that's it. I think we're done getting JDM shots today.
Yeah, now we can relax.
Yeah, follow the build.